basic requirement to make a bag. You need an A4 size paper. You can fold it and fold it again. Once you finish one side, we do the next side like this. Press and again press equally in half. Now you have blocks like this where you can see the line, and on those lines making this line, again you fold it in half and fold it in and fold this side to inwards. Place your finger and press. Now you have these two sides where you're going to press it in exactly on the line like this, and this side too. See? Press and you have this is a simple way of doing a bag, or you can even have this as an envelope and fold and stick this, and you can push in the extras inside on both sides. Little purse folding technique.